So we will start off with the presentation right away. We wait 1 more minute. Everybody can also then hear the dolmetsching in German, in Italian, and or stay here with us together. So I will share my screen for everybody and we will jump right into the project, which I can show you right now, where you could see my screen as well. And then we can go through every single point. So let me share my screen for you guys and we can start from there. Today, we are going to talk about the project Bitfoot. And quickly explained, it's going to be the fastest trading platform which is out there. Especially when we talk about sniper bots. And the question is, what is a sniper bot? It's a tool that helps you to buy faster and to sell faster, especially in the decentralized market when we talk about meme coins. Why is speed so essential? Because meme coins are way more volatile than other cryptocurrencies. The reason for that is the small market capitalization, meaning small volume can already increase the price a lot. Here, we have the chance with a sniper bot to enter the market right when we want it and to exit the market right when we want it. When you do it with a manual wallet or through decentralized exchanges directly, you always have some buffer of like, say, 15 seconds where you enter the market. If you're unlucky, the transaction fails, you then have to do it one more time and you enter the markets then even 30, 45, or even 60 seconds later. And we've seen many projects that had like 80% increase in only 1 minute. Meaning if you do it manually or through decentralized exchanges, you're missing out on profits every single day. That's also a reason why all the meme coin traders out there, they're doing it on a regular basis. They use sniper bots because to get the entries that you want and the exits that you want. That's about the manual trading. But let's talk about the even more interesting part, which is the automated trading. So here, Bitfoot is not only providing the sniper bot itself, but it is also providing you a platform for education. On one side, we have the access to our ultimate sniper community, where we have experts that already made 7 figures in profits in the last meme coin cycle, and they share the knowledge and the strategies here with all of the community. The good thing here is that it's not only for community chats and for weekly calls, but also we have an academy section where people can see all these kind of videos where we provide guides on finding new coins, sniping strategies, dip strategies, and I think what will be most interesting is how to find and copy elite traders. We also like to call them insider wallets. And the reason for that is because mostly those traders have some insider information. Meaning you mostly see when you look at charts of meme coins, the same structure. Let me share it right away with you so you know what I'm talking about. We go to meme coins that, for example, in the last 24 hours made a very huge amount of volume. Filtered by that, we click on an interesting project. And we will always see the same price structure, meaning at the beginning, only a few traders entering, and then the price pumps 10, 50, even 100x. So the interesting part for us is how can we find those insider traders? The good thing here is the blockchain is completely transparent, meaning we can look up and find those traders that enter that low and they exit that high. So how do we do that? If we scroll down, we can see all the buys, all the sells from this token. But if we filter, for example, to top traders, we can also then see all the best traders, they made the most profit only with this token, filtered by the best to the worst. And what we are looking for is not someone that, for example, enter with 180K and exit with 270K, because this is just a big investor and not really an insider, because that's not even a 2x. What we are looking for is, for example, someone that entering with $1,000 and exited with $89,000. Meaning this guy made 89x. And the only reason how you can make 89x is entering really, really low and exiting at a max point. So what we can do now is also we can go to this trader, we can copy his wallet, and if we have a wallet from a trader, we can just implement it here on the top by search token, contract, or wallet, and then we can see his win rate We can see the last 7 days, how much profit he made. He made 606%. He made in the last 7 days, $330,000. And the total P&L, meaning the total profit that this trader made, was $790,000. We can also see the whole distribution of every single trade this trader has been doing from this wallet, meaning 8 trades over 500%, 4 trades between 2 and 500, and 35% between 0 and 200. We also can see he made 14 trades between 0 and -50. So what I'm always saying is companies that tell you that you will only do positive trades, I'm always very skeptical because this is not the reality. I know very good trader from the crypto market as well as from the Forex market, and even the best traders sometimes have negative trades. So we have to be here transparent with everybody and also tell, yes, it's possible that there's gonna be some negative trades, but you have to look at the total amount of the win rate of the 7 last days, and also see the performance, how it's going right now. So how can we do that? We also can look at the transaction time. So we see here, the trader is active right now. He's trading 8 hours ago, 9 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 11 hours ago. So this trader is not some trader that made those profits 3 months ago and now didn't trade, because this wouldn't be accurate to the right now's position. But this trader is trading today, he's trading yesterday, and he's really, really active and doing good profits. So by that, looking at the profits, looking at the trades, we can see this guy is doing some really good trades. The trades are also not some snipes where he's entering and exiting 1 minute later. But we can see here, the guy enters 12 hours ago. He has a great position and he exits it at the top. So he made here with only this trade over 100%. And this is amazing because this was only done in a few hours. So this is how we analyze those traders and how we can amplify those wallets into our sniper bot. So how does this work? I can also show you here directly through my wallet. So here we have our sniper bot actively on Telegram. How does this work? We just click on start, and from there we can click on copy trade. When we click on copy trade, we can just copy a wallet and implement it here into our sniper bot. From the moment the wallet is copied, every single transaction that he's going to do, my wallet will also execute. Meaning you don't have to be awake. Your phone can be also offline. It doesn't matter. Every single trade that he's going to do, your wallet will also execute. And we can see this, for example, also in live here, because if we track this wallet that we just showed, I also amplified it yesterday into our wallet, where he bought now Jilly, the coin that I showed you 12 hours ago. And we can also see the same transaction that's happening here when he bought it. He bought here Jilly for a few Solana. We can look here. Here is the public swap transaction actively where my wallet just copied this trader, meaning he bought Jilly for 0.1 Solana, and a little bit later, the same position that he was selling, he sold not only one time because he sold many times. So the first position, he sold for 165%. Second position, he sold Jilly for 267%. The third position, he sold at 275%. So every of those transactions that this guy was doing, I just copied his wallet. I put it into my wallet, and every single transaction was as well copied on my wallet with my settings that I put in, 0.1 Solana, meaning $14 per trade, and it was executed exactly the same. The best part about this is it's completely transparent on one side. On the other side, the user himself is always 100% in control, because you're not giving your money away to some company that's working with it. In the end, Bitfoot is only a tool that helps you to execute the trades and to automate the whole copy trading system. So here, you just implement the wallet and then trade the same as the trader before. So what we have here is every single second, if you want to withdraw the money, you can do it. If you want to withdraw the profits, you can do it every single second. You even have the chance, if a trader is an active trade, and he wants to sell at 200%, but you say, hey, 100% is enough for me, you can also manually close the trade and then already also withdraw the profits. So here the whole scenario is really, really simple. And the best is that it's completely automatic. So if we now scroll a little bit up, I can also show you how those insider trades look like, because we have here multiple trades of 30%, 40%, 80%, or even 100%. But what's interesting is then also the insider trades, which I can show you how they look like as well. So what we will do now, we will scroll a little bit down and see the same trader that's been doing those great trades. Also, a few days ago, he bought the token Horny. He held it for 4 days and 17 hours and then sold it for 3,468%, meaning I invested with $14 and made out of it $402. The best part here, the trader is smart. He doesn't sell all of the position at once, but he was still holding the position from here and selling the 25% of the position 1 day later, which we can see here, 5 days and 12 hours for 6,594%. So an extra $255, meaning with an invest of $14, he made here close to $700. And the best part here is that all those transactions, when we try to share it with people, on one side, we have an amazing marketing showing all the details, meaning the token that we bought, the duration of the trade, the percentage that I made, the dollars that I made, and on the right bottom side, my username with a QR code, meaning people can scan it and right away be in your downline in the sniper bot. And from every single transaction they will be doing, you earn lifetime commission. Now the one or the other might be saying, okay, if they are experienced with the meme coin market, they won't believe profits like that. They'll be saying like 3,400% in just a few days. This can't be reality. This has to be some Photoshop or something. But also here, we have the complete transparency, meaning you not only get all the information of the trade, but you also get the transaction success on SoulScan, meaning I can click on that and it brings me to the blockchain, which will then show us the complete transaction details. This trade happening on the 23rd of October. We can see I entered for $14 here. There was the swap, and I sold the Horny tokens for $413. Meaning every single transaction is not only shown on our sniper bots, not only shown through the pictures, but it's also shown completely transparent on the blockchain. Meaning when you share those pictures, you can also share the link to the blockchain transaction so everybody can see it's completely real. The good thing here is all those trades, they don't happen every single day. They happen from time to time, and if you follow good traders, they happen more often. Here's the thing where we also with our academy show you how can we find those wallets, what's to be aware of, and how to be very, very profitable by just following the steps of the best traders out there. So that's regarding the sniper bots. But coming to the next point of the whole project is the Bitfoot token itself. So for the Bitfoot token, we have here a utility token with its own ecosystem. On one side, we have the sniper bot access. On the other side, we have the community course access. So for everybody that's now joining and they want to use the sniper bot or the community course, they will have to hold $50 worth of Bitfoot token on the wallet, and they get free access as long as they hold those $50. Meaning this is a great opportunity when our community is growing every single day, more people are coming in, and they only have to hold $50 worth of Bitfoot token, meaning they have to buy it. So every day we have buy power coming into the market by new people. On the second side, those people have to hold the token, meaning the more people hold the token, the bigger is the number of the holders, which is very interesting when we talk about central exchange listings like Binance or KuCoin, because they look at the total amount of holders. The bigger this amount, the easier it gets listed on those exchanges. Coming to the third part, which is here, the buyback system. I always like to highlight this because I see it as the heart of the project, and you will also understand why. So you have to understand, same as, for example, exchanges, there is a buy and a sell trading fee. Same we have with our sniper bot. For every buy and every sell, there is a 1% trading fee. From this 1%, 50% goes off into our affiliate marketing program. 10% will be used to buy back tokens from the open market and to burn them immediately, ensuring healthy growth. So I repeat that. Those 10% are not on some wallet where someone's buying and selling how he wants. No, those 10% are coded in the smart contract, meaning whenever a transaction is happening, the trading fee is deducted, and from that 10% is flowing into the market, meaning you have buy power every single day of those fees, buying back tokens and burning them immediately. Burning means they get exited from the blockchain. So the total supply of tokens gets decreased every single day, while at the same time you have buy power coming into the market very naturally. Because usually when we talk about crypto, especially meme coins, the whole price structure is based on the community, meaning mostly you say, okay, the price goes up if the community is positive, the price goes down if the community is negative. But here you could say it's also completely irrelevant how much the community is buying by themselves, because even when the community is not buying actively, but still there is transaction happening on the sniper bot, volume is being generated, trading fees are deducted, 10% of that flowing into the market and buying back tokens and burning them immediately. To give you here also some more insights on projects that already successfully implemented that buyback feature, we have on the one side Bonk, on the other side we have Banana. Banana, for example, had a pre-sale at 75 cents, and after 1 year now, they've been listed on Binance with an all-time high of $75, meaning they had a 100x in only 1 year. Mainly based because of the 10% buyback. The community was growing every single day. More people were coming to the platform. More people were trading, meaning more trading volume is being generated. From that, there is also the fee part, and 10% of that every single day is also increasing and buying back more tokens from the open market. So you see the price structure of this coin is beautiful because it's not just some pump and dump scheme, but it's mainly processed through the background of the buyback system, meaning more people coming in, volume is being generated, buybacks are happening every single day. And to give you more insights on that as well, Banana, for example, after 1 year have a daily active user amount of 6,200 members. And I always like to say that people that have some experience in affiliate marketing know that 6,200 members is not a big number. To be very honest with you and to give you some insights on right now Bitfoot, after just a few days of pre-registrations and now the start of the pre-sale, we are already over 13,900 registrations. And we didn't even launch with the sniper bot. So now you can imagine how much power and how much potential there might be for our project. Still, Banana had with those 6,200 members and trading volume daily of $54 million. Meaning 1% of that is fee. It means 540,000. Half of this we will go out to our affiliates, and 10% is being used for buybacks on the open markets, meaning we're talking about 5 to maybe some days even 6 figures of inflow in the market, buying back tokens and burning them immediately. Now the one or the other might be saying, okay, but 54 million, that's like a huge number. But you have to understand that the 54 million is trading volume and not own capital. And to make this a little bit more clear, I also made an example for you where I took $150 and I traded with that by buying 10 different tokens, buying them and selling them after like 5 to 10 minutes. Approximately now counting only with an average profit of 10%. Even when we've seen before at the bots that was 40, 80, 100 or even 1,000, we want to calculate worst case scenario. So I'm buying for 150, I'm selling for 165. I only make $15 in profit, but I generated a trading volume of $315. So if I now do this 10 times a day with the same scenario, at the end of the day, I have a trading volume of $3,150. And if I now do this for a month, let's say we cut off the weekends and we cut off some days of the week too, because we don't want to trade every day. We only count with 20 days. At the end of the month, you have a trading volume generated of $63,000. And now we only do the same scenario as well when speaking with only 10 people. You share this project with 10 people, talking about huge opportunity in the meme coin market, as everybody's talking in the crypto space, even more about the meme coins, because there is a lot of hype, there is a lot of potential in it, and you share it with 10 people, because people not only get the best software out there, but they also get the education all completely for free by just holding $50 worth of Bitfoot token. So we count with 10 people, they have the same capital of $150 and doing the same scenario. So with 10 people with $150 doing the same scenario of 10 trades per day, 20 days per month, you would have generated in your downline a trading volume of $630,000. And if we talk only about the direct commission of 25% on those trading fees, you would have earned at the end of the month $1,575. And to be very honest here, a lot of people won't only be recommending or talking about this product with 10 people. They would share it maybe with 20, maybe with 50, maybe with 100 or even more. And a lot of those people they can trade with whatever they want. They can trade with $10, they can trade with 50, 150, or even more. So more people will also maybe invest 300, 600, 1,500. It's completely up to them. But if we now take the multiplication on both sides and we take them for the commission side, to be very honestly with you, it will be very realistic for a lot of people here to earn 5 or even 6 figures every single month from the commission side. So here we also now only talked about the commission of 25%. But I told you before that we give out up to 50%. So how does this look like? We have here our multi-level uni-level plan, meaning on the first level, we give out 25%. On the second level, we give out 5%. On the third level, we go 3.5%. And then we have a partner bonus, which gets available from 10 million trading volume, where you get on top of the first level 10%, meaning 35% in the first level, and then a fourth and a fifth level with 2.5%. The best thing here about all the commissions also, as it's a decentralized project, there is no third party holding your money, meaning the same second a transaction is happening, the trading fee is deducted, and from that, your affiliate commission is calculated and inflowing right away into your wallet, where you can withdraw it in the same second. There is no holding period. You don't have to wait any days to get this available. You can withdraw it right away. And the best part also here is that all those calculations with those commissions are already based in those trading fees. So there's no overpaying, there is no underpaying. This is an automated system coded through the smart contract given to the community. So now we had some people and some leaders, they asked us, is there any possibility to earn deeper than the fifth level? Because I want to share it with even a bigger community. So also here we have a possibility, which we call our Bitfoot staking community pool. So here you have to imagine 1% is fee, 50% is going of that to our affiliate ban. 50% is still there for the company. From this 50% of the company, 40% is going into a community pool. So you can see it as a 40% equity of the whole company, of the whole volume, of the whole structure. Doesn't matter if it's in your 17th level, if it's in your 70th level or your 80th level, or if it's Sideline and his 19th level. Completely irrelevant. The whole volume of the whole structure goes into this pool, and the more Bitfoot token you hold, the bigger is your equity of this pool, which gets rewarded to you every single day and creating an extra source of passive income. I think this is also one reason why we have a lot of people right now very motivated, also investing a lot into the pre-sale to get the Bitfoot token at a very cheap price to then have a bigger equity of the whole volume of the whole structure and get rewarded every single day. So coming now to the very last part is the pre-sale. The pre-sale is right now live and everybody is able to buy now Bitfoot token. You're right now in the third round. People are now able to get it at 9 cents. The next round will be at 10 cents. The only thing you have to do is connect your wallet. You can then upload Ethereum on it, either USDT or USDC2, but you have to have Ethereum on your wallet to gather also the gas fees. And then you are able to buy Bitfoot tokens on there directly. You just click connect wallet. You then choose the amounts that you want to buy, and then you click on instant buy. Here we have also for the price a little safety feature for our community, because we've seen multiple projects. On one side, they get in a very cheap price and people like to sell everything when the token gets listed at an exchange. We have also here the possibility for everybody at the pre-sale to get it at a cheaper price. We have 1 cent increase. We have now 9 cents. The last price will be 14 cents, and at 14 cents, the token will be listed on the exchange. So to also be here cautious, we had a strategy that took those people that get the cheap price at the pre-sale, 25% of the tokens will be available right away, and the rest of the tokens are available for a 9-month linear vesting, meaning every single day you will be able to withdraw the rest of the tokens for a period of 9 months. This will also help us because we've seen other projects that do it weekly or monthly based, but then you see those unhealthy spikes in the chart. And to prevent that, we also have daily withdrawals, meaning we have a very healthy inflow into the market, ensuring that we have also a very healthy price growth from there. So for everybody that's still thinking about what can we do now, you can go to the website, you can then connect your wallet, either choose MetaMask, Phantom, or the others that we recommend. You can then upload their Ethereum. You can also click on get referral link. If you share it with people and people buy Bitfoot's token from your referral link, you will also get a 10% extra direct commission, meaning you can get this right away in USDT. When one phase ends, the next phase started. Those USDT are available right away for you, and you can claim them also. So for everybody that still didn't purchase at the Bitfoot, you have now the chance to also get those Bitfoot's token at a really, really cheap price. We also thought about one special because everybody's waiting for the sniper bots to get available as soon as possible. And the development team here from the backside said, okay, they want to give it available to the people when the pre-sale is over. But we also here as a community with many leaders discuss the opportunity or strategy, how we can give also the sniper bot to as many people as possible, also upfront. So we thought about a pre-access. So on one side, if you're waiting till the pre-sale ends, you will then have the sniper bot available. On the other side, if you want to enter earlier and already use this amazing product, we will have a pre-access if you hold $250 worth of Bitfoot tokens. So if you have $250 or you don't have it, you can now also purchase those Bitfoot tokens for $250. And if you hold that on your wallet, you will be able to pre-access the sniper bot, which will be also announced tomorrow. And it will be probably on Monday next week. So only a few more days where the sniper bot will be available for everybody, and everybody will be able to use this amazing product. So thank you very much for everybody that's been here on the call. We will do a little Q&A session also now. So you are free now to type the questions into the chat. I will go through each of those questions, and then we will end the presentation and also share the next call that we have tomorrow. Thank you very much.